Come in, Mr. Pepin. Come in, sir.
Tell me something. Is which one down in here smoking weed in my place?
Nobody no smoking here, sir.
Well, to tell the truth, I know you don't smoke. And I don't think Johnny smoke as far as I know. Tell me something. That decent looking young man I see coming to you, him smoke?
No, sir. Lincoln will never smoke.
Well, that simple mean is that careless, worthless boy Paul inside of my place and smoking. Hey, you know, say, I'm going to give Janice notice if she can't control that boy, you know.
No, Mr. Pepin. You can't blame Janice for Paul's action.
Is her man. She's supposed to know him not good enough to her.
I agree.
No, man. But not tell me say in the room that boy they are smoking.
Mr. P, what you do? You can't go in at the girl when she's not there. That's not right.
You have a point. But, hey, you're there. I know you're hearing me. If I ever pass my place and smell ganja smoking here again, you and Janice going to have to find somewhere and go. Cuss it right. Blast after all, I take this week for a creeper off.
You know, so the old boy that gonna be this.
You need to stop smoking at the man place. That's what you need to do.
So yeah, move.
How may I move?
Yeah, move strong.
No, in a Mr. D, I never move strong. I'm strong. You understand that?
Take a see alone more and say.
The argument where you are looking for another yesterday, you know.
My girl, I will eat my father.
Eat you? I don't have the time nor the energy for that. And Janice me vex with for have you. I walk on her like she a Max. Ooh.
She not have to stay, she can't go on the show up.
Are you for one? You go like say you work and Janice alone I work with 2 ends meeting at this. I'm sure you if she left you see a man have a run and beg and ball when you realize you lose a good man. What
No,
you know?
I'm telling you this, enough good man out the road now, we can't get them like that, man. I tell you.
None of them don't want you, Paul. So nobody fool themselves. I can't wait for Johnny to see them up. I say, see all me, I do my local gas station where I can save my money. Because any day the man in my life decides saying I'm going to take a walk, I must pay a little money for parents and buy groceries. And something for a rainy day.
Yeah, move like you don't love nobody.
Me no love my spirit take. So any day me say hit the highway, you better make sure I'm tank full of gas. Oh,
You're full of big chat the door.
I'ma have what for buckets.
I can't see that.
Paul, I'm here you alone there, right?
Yeah,
The house na auntie.
I don't know about that.
So that means say, it's either you lick my palm body or I me lick myself. I'm certainly never lick myself. So are you?
My girl, you know a long time you like me. True, and Janice a friend me can't move so, but guess what? You don't have to worry because she don't have to know what go on. She don't have to know what thing.
For real?
So what will I tell her? You?
No, I won't do that. Then you really think you work breaking up me and my friend relationship? Come out of my room! Ice on the freezer.
So that's really to place?
Come like you but you will tell you. You know me that you already in John. You should have hear him ball out in there. Ow!
You know, you're not easy. You're a wicked, wicked girl.
So them seven love. Morning, Paul.
I want to stop powering and eat that girl in the soil.
Me and that idiot girl have been friends for a long time. So you can't tell me to be friends with Paul.
Can't let me 20 grand.
Then the 20 grand? 20 grand out of what, Paul? I don't have any money.
Out of the bank book, me pay back, man.
Oh! So you've been eyeballing the money in my account? Listen to me. I can't touch that because if I touch it, I lose all my interest.
So you say? I want to ask you a question. Over my day, I not see I got work. Like in the past sick leave, because that look long.
Well, this one is a permanent sick leave, sir.
What do you mean by that?
You lose a job.
You lose the what? Tell me say a joke, you mean?
No, make no joke. Mr. White tell me.
No,
say-
tell me nothing about Mr. White. Try and make sure you have a plan, you know. And that me I tell you, you know.
Oh, so if I don't work, the bills don't pay, I would they hungry in here?